Hello, I'm Ron Cole, author of SuperReading. I designed SuperReading back in 1995 when I was living in Silicon Valley, California. At the time, most of my clientele were engineers. They needed to read loads of information, absorb it quickly, and remember it more long term. So I took 6 months off, experimented, and came up with what's now known as SuperReading. Now, let's be clear about one thing. Super reading is not speed reading. Speed reading may be fine for something like a romance novel, but if you're a law student or an engineer or an attorney or someone who needs to read technical information, understand it well, quickly, and retain it long term, then you want to consider super reading. With the IHOP exercises, you can go in a few short weeks from mentally processing one word at a glance to processing 5 to 8 or more words at a glance. This means you'll get all the meaning without having to physically pronounce all the words, which either slows you down, pronouncing all the words, or if you try to go too fast, you'll lose words and lose meaning and focus, concentration, and comprehension. The IHOP exercises solve this problem. I've taught super reading here in the UK since 2005, where I've taught at very nice companies such as the Royal Bank of Scotland, Lloyd's TSB, ASDA, and many others. I've also taught at many fine universities and schools. In particular, at London South Bank University, Dr. Ross Cooper has been kind enough to test the program with dyslexic adult students. The experiments he's done with the course have proven that the IHOP exercise in particular and the other techniques can help dyslexic adults reach levels that go beyond non-dyslexic readers. This was something that when we first discussed the super reading program, Dr. Cooper was rather skeptical about. However, it's been over 2 years now and they continue to teach the course there and are now teaching others to share super reading with dyslexic adults as well. If what you're looking for are the abilities to be able to absorb information quickly, comprehend it well, and retain it long term, then my recommendation is that you look into the super reading program. We have classes in London and surrounding areas going on most of the year, and there's also an online program, as well as my book, How to Be a Super Reader, which came out in October of 2009. To wrap up, if what you're looking for are great reading and memory skills, and you want them in just a few short weeks, there's a fun way to do it. We call it super reading. There's classes, the book, and online. So, hope to see you in class. I think that's the best way because you can get the information right from the horse's mouth, as it were. So, I look forward to seeing you in class. Thank you very much.